Hello friends, good to see you. This is Govind here. I am very excited to share the details of synthetic future and the advanced synthetic future, how and why it is very useful and where to use using the payoff graphs. Before I get into the synthetic future itself, let me talk a little bit about futures trading and options trading, how it works, so that we can understand it better. When you get into the futures contract, of course the margin money will get blocked and there is no premium that is being received or paid because there is no premium associated with the futures contract. With respect to MTM profit and loss, that is the current profit and loss, the money will be either credited or debited from your trading account only in the form of cash on daily basis. This is very important to note. If the future contract is not closed by the end of the day, the profit or the loss amount is credited or debited from your trading account only in the form of cash on daily basis. When you get into any of the options contract, what happens is, if you are a buyer, you will pay the premium. If you are a seller, you will receive the premium. Of course, here also the margin money will get blocked. And in case of options, the MTM profit and loss is adjusted with the collateral money that you have. There is no cash settlement for options on daily basis. The profit or the loss will get adjusted to the collateral money that you have in your account. This is a big difference between futures contract and the options contracts. Now the question is, how do we trade in options exactly the same like futures without the MTM settlement? Yes, it is possible. That is nothing but the synthetic futures. So what is the synthetic future? It is nothing but the combination of options which behave exactly like a future. For future long, you have to buy one lot of at the money call option and sell one lot of at the money put option. This becomes synthetic long future. And for future short, you have to buy one lot of at the money put option and sell one lot of at the money call option. So this becomes synthetic short future. And the payoff graph for these are exactly same as the future payoff graphs. Here what we are doing is at the money call and put options, buying and selling to go either long or short. So we expect the at the money call and put options which are at 0.5 delta normally to have an equal premium. But in the live market, that is not the case. So when you go synthetic long or synthetic short future, most of the time the net premium is a debit. So you end up paying some premium. Now you don't want to even pay this premium. Is it possible to still go synthetic long or synthetic short future? Yes, it is possible using the advanced synthetic long and synthetic future. So here is how you can do the advanced synthetic future long and short. For future long, what you have to do is you have to sell one lot of at the money call option and one lot of at the money put option. In addition to these two, you have to buy two lots of call options at one strike above the at the money strike. So it is important to note that buy two lots of call options, just one strike above the at the money strike. To go future short, again you have to sell at the money one lot of put option and call option, but here we buy two lots of put options, just one strike above the ATM strike. So this becomes advanced synthetic short. And again, the payoff graphs will be exactly same as the futures payoff graph. Don't worry, I am going to show you the payoff graph moments from now. But here in this case, the advanced synthetic future long and short, most of the time your net premium is a credit. In fact, you receive some credit to your account. So this is the beauty of the advanced synthetic future. Let me show you the payoff graphs for Nifty using the Sensible. If you want to go long in Nifty future contract, so I select the future here and then press on the buy for the 27th October contract. So if you see the future long, as long as the Nifty goes up, you will continue to make money. As long as the Nifty goes down, you will continue to lose the money. So that is the future long payoff graph. Now let me switch to future short. So unselect buy and then select the short. So this is the payoff graph. Exactly opposite. As long as Nifty falls, you will make money, and as it goes up, you will lose money. So this is a payoff graph for normal future short. Now let me create a synthetic long future. Click on this build, and then for synthetic long, you have to buy at the money call option and sell at the money put option. If you see the payoff graph here, it is exactly same as a normal future long. In this case, if you see here, the net pay is 428. So you have to pay 428 rupees to initiate this synthetic long future. Let me make this as a synthetic short future. So I just have to reverse this position. This becomes synthetic short. You see, this is a synthetic short payoff graph, which is exactly same as a normal future short. And in this case, you will get a credit of 428 rupees. So now let me make advanced synthetic long. So at the money call option and put option sell, and then for advanced synthetic long, you have to initiate 2 lots of call options buy above the ATM. You see now the payoff graph is same as the future long, but here you get a credit of 1613 rupees, and the effect is same as future long. Now let me make this as advanced synthetic short. So at the money sell call option and put option and buy 2 lots of put option just below the ATM. You see the payoff graph now. This becomes the same payoff graph as the future short. And if you see the net premium here, you are receiving the premium of 2508 rupees. So you see that in advanced synthetic future long and short, you will receive a premium that is a credit spread, and you have exactly same payoff graph as futures. Friends, coming to the advantages of the synthetic or the advanced synthetic future versus the normal future. The first one is the no MTM cash settlement. Your P&L will get adjusted to the collateral that you have in your account. This gives you a better flexibility to manage the cash in your account for any other trading purpose. The next biggest advantage of the synthetic future is that the operational cost is very low. The operational costs include STT, stamp duty, etc. For example, if you initiate a normal future contract for Nifty, when Nifty is at 17,500, the contract size is 17,500 into lot size, which is 50, equal to 8,75,000. So the STT and all the operational costs gets calculated based on the contract size 8,75,000 in case of normal future. When you initiate a synthetic future, you have 2 legs, one call option and one put option. Depending on weekly expiry or monthly expiry, the premiums are different. Let us assume the combined premium is 1000 rupees for call and put option together. What is the contract size? 1000 into 100, 2 lots. Because there is one call option and one put option. The contract size becomes 1 lakh rupees. Now the STT gets calculated on the contract size, which is 1 lakh rupees. See the big difference between the operational cost between futures and synthetic futures. In fact, this is one of the main reasons that I use the synthetic future. When you initiate a synthetic future, you are buying and selling 2 contract options, which may give you a margin benefit to other option strategies in your portfolio. And if you want to initiate a long-term future contract, it is not possible with the normal future contracts beyond 3 months, because all the future contracts are restricted to 3 months only. Whereas you have long-term options available 1 year, 2 year for all the indices, that is Nifty and Bank Nifty. So you can easily initiate synthetic long-term future with Nifty and Bank Nifty. The long-term synthetic future contracts are not possible for stock options. That is because there are no long-term option contracts available for stock options. The next best advantage that you get from the synthetic future is that the better stop loss management, especially for the intraday synthetic future. That is because synthetic future has a call option and a put option which has a time value. Let us say if your asset moves by 10 rupees, your combined premium may not move by exactly 10 rupees because they are at the money and they are at near to 0.5 delta. So therefore, the combined premium may move by 5 rupees or slightly more than that, not exactly 10 rupees. So this gives you a better cushion to manage the stop loss. The chances of your stop loss getting hit by a small fraction gets reduced. The stop loss cushion gets even better when you use the advanced synthetic future because it is a net credit strategy. Friends, this is one of the main reasons that I use the advanced synthetic future for my intraday trades. A quick summary is that use the synthetic future or advanced synthetic future only with the indices, that is Nifty and Bank Nifty. You can use them for both intraday as well as positional trading. Positional trading, because all the index options are cash settled, there is no fear of physical settlement. And you also have a good amount of liquidity. So using this, you will save a lot of operational cost and you will have a better SL management. And do not use the synthetic future for the stock options. That is because of a low liquidity. Even if you have good liquidity in some stocks, avoid positional synthetic and advanced synthetic futures for stock options because the stock options get physically settled. Whenever one of the leg in your synthetic future goes deep in the money, you may have to take a delivery or you may have to give a delivery of the one lot of stocks. So please avoid such situations. Friends, I use the advanced synthetic future both in indices, that is Nifty and Bank Nifty, and some of the select stocks for my intraday trades. When I was using the futures contract for my intraday trade, even for a small SL hit, my operational cost was quite heavy. So that is when I switched to advanced synthetic future. So next time when you want to go future long or short, think about this wonderful synthetic or advanced synthetic future long or short. I hope you learned something out of this video. If so, do consider pressing the like button and also subscribing to this channel. Thank you for your time. See you soon.